If you're still buying chicken burger outside, come in here, let me show you how to make it. In a bowl of flour, add paprika powder, some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, some dried parsley, some salt. Get buttermilk or make your own by adding lemon to milk and allowing it to stand for a while till it curdles. Next, add some more seasoning, the same one you added to the flour. Next, add your chicken thigh in both mixtures, in the wet and the dry, and then put it in hot oil. You can see how delicious that chicken looks after a while. Now we're going to set up our burger. I'm using the homemade butter I made in a previous video. Check my past videos. Toast the buns to make it extra crispy and it will be so good. The full recipes are in my cookbook. The link is going to be in the description box or in my bio. Download it now for delicious recipes from me.